Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. This I am thinking American, Indian, Hindu, Muslim, this is all dirty things in my heart. It cleans your heart. Riddhantasta avadran. The dirty things are within my heart. So if we cleanse our heart, then we become free from this designation. Nashta prayeshu avadreshu. Nittanga bhagavata sevaya. Nashta praya. These dirty things will be cleansed if we regularly hear Srimad Bhagavatam or Bhagavad Gita. Nittanga Bhagavata. And Bhagavata means the book Bhagavata and the person Bhagavata. The person Bhagavata is spiritual master or any exalted devotee is Bhagavata, Mahabhagavata Bhagavata. So Bhagavata Sevaya means not only reading Bhagavad Gita or Bhagavatam, but we have to study from the person Bhagavata. That is required. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu advised, Bhagavata parogiya Bhagavata sthane. If you want to learn Bhagavat, then go to the person Bhagavat who is realized soul, not professional. That will not help you. Official professional, I go to a temple, to church and go back again to hellish conditional. No. You just associate with the person Bhagavat who is realized soul and hear from him the same book, the same knowledge. Krishna's representative, just like Krishna says, Tat samasena, mesrinu. Mesrinu. Hear from me or my representative. Then you will benefit. So these centers are being opened just to give the opportunity to the people who are suffering, not only in this life, life after life. Ei rupe brahmanda bhramite kono bhagavan ji Guru Krishna kripa paya bhakti vata. So it is our duty, we have taken this duty on behalf of Krishna. Krishna personally comes to teach, just like he left his Srimad Bhagavatam. Then he entrusts his devotees to explain to the people in general. We are attempting to do that. We have not manufactured anything, or you have got anything of our own. The asset and the property is there. We are simply distributing as peon. That's all. And we have no difficulty. If we simply present Bhagavad Gita's instruction of Krishna as it is, then our duty finished. We haven't got to manufacture anything. Neither we have power to manufacture anything. Just like there are so many others, they manufacture new type of ideas, new type of things, all nonsense. That will not help. Take the real knowledge. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.